If you usually wake up sometimes and you feel like you want to have a savory breakfast, today I got you, because I'm going to be showing you how to make French toast. My recipe is very easy to prepare, and in a matter of 5 minutes you'll be done and having your tea or coffee. So in a large bowl I'll add 3 eggs, I'm using 3 eggs, so I'm going to add a third cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 2/3 of milk. Then I'm going to use my fork and whisk together all the ingredients. And lastly, before I forget, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. It already smells so good. Once well combined, you'll move over to the stove top, and on medium heat, you're going to place a pan. Then once hot, I'm going to butter my pan. Then I'll pick my brown bread, dip it in my egg mixture, then place it on the pan. You let the bread cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Check on my bread, and when you notice the bread is golden brown, you flip. It looks so good. Then you wait for the other side to cook 1 to 2 minutes. So you can use white bread, brown bread, whole bread, whichever bread you have. See the way it has that gorgeous golden brown color? That is what we are looking for. This is ready. I'm going to keep this aside. Then I'm going to do the next. So with this batter, you can make up to 8 slices of bread. My bread is ready. So to my pan, I'm going to add some butter. I'm using unsalted butter for this recipe, for the bread. So next I'm going to be making caramelized bananas. So to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Once your sugar is bubbling up, I'm going to place my sliced bananas in the pan. So I'm using ripe banana. It is not unripe, it is ripe bananas. This is to add a little bit of kick to our French toast. I'm using medium-low flame to make my caramelized bananas, and we are going to wait for our bananas to caramelize for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. I'm going to flip my bananas, and as you can see, they are looking amazing. You can check out the list of ingredients in the description box, and also you can check some of my other breakfast recipes. I also have a playlist, so you can click and watch. My caramelized bananas are ready, so I'm going to turn off the heat, and then I'm going to serve. They're smelling so good. This breakfast is absolutely delicious, and I hope you try out making this amazing French toast. So catch you on my next one. Bye.